So our next topic is diameter form of a circle. This also you have studied in your previous class. That is, you have to find the equation of the circle on the join of x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as diameter. That is when you are given the endpoints of a diameter. So if you know the endpoints of the diameter, you will simply remember this equation. That equation of circle is given by x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is very easy. This is the example. Find the equation of the circle when the endpoints of diameter are minus 2 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma minus 5. So you have to simply put the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 in this equation and you will get the required equation of the circle. Next example is find the equation of the circle passing through 0 comma 0 and cutting intercepts A and B on x-axis and y-axis. Now since x-axis is cutting intercept A, small a on x-axis, so capital A के coordinates हमने ले लिए a, 0. Similarly intercept B on y-axis, so capital B के coordinates हमारे पास हो गए y-axis पे 0, B. So that now we know that angle XOY is 90 degree. So since this angle is 90 degree and we know that angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. So this proves that AB is a diameter. Now since AB is a diameter, so using the previous formula we can find equation of the circle as x minus a into x minus 0 plus y minus 0 into y minus b is equal to 0, and hence this is the required equation of the circle. In the third example, they have said a circle of constant radius 3k passes through the origin. So radius of the circle is 3k and meets the axis in points A and B. So A and B points पे जो circle है वो meet कर रहा है x axis and y axis को. Prove that locus of the centroid of triangle OAB is the circle x square plus y square equal to 4k square. So आपको क्या करना है, लोकस ऑफ द सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ ट्राइंगल ओ ए बी फाइंड करना है. तो अभी हम देखते हैं लोकस कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. उससे पहले क्योंकि ट्राइंगल ओ ए बी के सेंट्रॉइड का लोकस फाइंड करना है, सो वी नीड टू हैव द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ओ ए बी. ओ वी नो वी हैव सपोज्ड. नाउ दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट हियर दैट वी हैव सपोज्ड लेट. दिस लेट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. रिमेंबर in this case we said let the circle meets x-axis in A and y-axis in B, so that OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B. So this was given in the question that intercepts are small a and small b on x-axis and y-axis respectively. But here we are given that the circle is meeting the axis in A and B. So ये small a and this small b we have assumed on our own. So in geometry, whenever we assume some points, that point should not come in our answer. We have to eliminate it in our final answer, or by substituting values or by any other way. So let us see in this example. We have assumed let OA be small a and OB be small b. Again they are saying since angle AOB is 90 degree, so this implies AB is the diameter. Hence by using the diameter form they have found the equation of the circle, equation of this circle. But in the question they have not asked us to find the equation of the circle. We have to find locus of the centroid of triangle OAB. Now centroid का formula आपको पता होगा, x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. I am repeating. Centroid of a triangle is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So centroid of this triangle OAB is a by 3 and b by 3. Whenever we have to find locus of any point, since we have to find locus of this centroid, what we will do, we will always substitute this point as x and y. So for finding the locus, we put a by 3 is equal to x and b by 3 is equal to y. That is, we have got the value of a as 3x and b as 3y. Now what? Something is missing. So in this question we were given that radius of the circle is 3k. So once we have found the equation of the circle, we can found radius. Radius will be a by 2 k square plus b by 2 whole square minus 0 under root is equal to 3k. So this they have solved. A square by 4 plus b square by 4 is equal to 9k square. Hence a square plus b square is equal to 36k square. Now what we will do? We will substitute these values of a and b over here, so that a and b will be eliminated and we will get x square plus y square is equal to 4k square. So this is the required locus of the centroid of the triangle OAB. So in the question, the point whose locus we have to find, we will always substitute that point as equal to x and y. Next is find the equation of the circle drawn on the diagonal of the rectangle as its diameter. So taking one diagonal as diameter, we have to draw a circle whose sides are x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. So these are the sides of the triangle. So I guess this question is very easy. The equation of the circle having diagonal AC. So आपको a के coordinates मिल गए हैं क्योंकि x minus 2 है, y minus 2 है, c के coordinates 4 and 5. So you can easily find the equation of the circle with AC as diameter. So in this case you can also find the equation of the circle with BD as diameter because they have not mentioned the diagonal. So you can take any one of the diagonal. So B के coordinates अगर आप find करते तो x is 4. So 4 and y is minus 2. And D के coordinates x is minus 2 and y is 5. So you can also find the equation of the circle with BD as diameter. So this is exercise 3C. You have to try it on your own. Next topic is parametric representation of circle. So what is a parametric representation? Remember, whenever we have to take any point on the circle, we take it as x and y. So x and y are two variables. That means you have to find two unknown points, x and y, to find any point on the circle. So what we do, this is a circle, this is the center. So OP is the radius of the circle. Clearly let A be the radius of this circle if the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. And let theta be the angle made by this radius OP with x-axis. Then can you find x? See, this is x and this x can be written as clearly a cos theta OM over OP. OM over OP will be cos theta. So x becomes a cos theta and y becomes a sin theta. So this x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta are known as parametric representation of a point on a circle. Because now you have only one unknown. Theta is the only unknown. A is the radius that you will get to know from the equation of the circle. So the only thing you have to find is theta now. So in most of the cases, whenever we consider the parametric representation of point, the question becomes slightly easier. So this is of great importance. You have to remember it. And here theta clearly lies between 0 to 2 pi. So this is the parametric representation of a point on a circle with center as origin. Now this is the general equation. If the center is not on the origin, then parametric representation is given by x is equal to a cos theta plus h and y is equal to a sin theta plus k, where h and k are the centers of the circle. So you have to just remember this parametric representation. Next, these are the examples. So you can try these examples on your own. This is just for your understanding of the concept. If you have any doubt in this part, you can ask me. So these are the answers. You can try from here.